Good morning, children. In last session, we learned the question answers of lesson 6, excellence, right? In the last session, we know the differences and we know the importance and use of forests, right? Different type of forests and uses, importance also, right? So, in this session, I would like to start a new lesson, that is the other side of nature. What is the name of the lesson, children? The other side of nature. The other side of nature. Okay? So children, before going to start the lesson, we have to complete one activity, children, in page number 21. So 7.1. Look at this, all of you here. Given a table, children, we have to fill this. First one, the sun, soil, trees, water and animals are elements of nature. In the given space, draw an element of nature that you like and an emoticon to show how you feel when you think about it. So children, here sun, soil, trees, water and animals, right? All these are natural elements. So if you think about the sun, so what is your expression? Emoticon means emojis. Do you know? In your WhatsApp, we have the emojis, right? In your phone, we have the emojis like smiley, sad, crying, anger, and it indicates favor, bandage, and smiles, very happy. So everything like emojis we have. So if you think about the sun, so what is your feelings and what is your emotions? For example, if you thought about sun, your emoticon, that means we get sweat, right? Especially sun means if you go to the near the sun, what happens, children? We get more sweat. Like we can draw the emojis. Like sad, happiness, sweat, okay? Very happiness, like all the emojis we have, right? So here we have to draw the element of nature first. Then, so beside of it, you have to draw the emoji. Okay? Next one, soil also. So if you think about the soil, so what is your feeling? And third one, water. Okay. So many of you like water. So if you thought about water, if you think about water, so what is your emotion? Yes. For example, if I think water, I will get joyness, I will get happiness. So I will express my feelings with this emoji. Or some members water phobia, have the water phobia. If they think about the water, they may get fear. So they will express their feelings like this emoji. So children, and some members will go and play with water, right? They will express this feeling. So emojis you have to write in this column. And here you have to draw the element like water, sun, soil, like all you have to mention in this table. Okay children, this is your activity. So children, nature gives us joy. Okay, nature gives us joy and sometimes it gives sad. Okay, sometimes it gives joy and sometimes it gives sad. Okay, the damage of your life or a property we known as a disaster. Okay, ఒక లైఫ్ గాని ఒక ప్రాపర్టీ గాని డ్యామేజ్ జరిగితే దాన్ని డిజాస్టర్ అని పిలుస్తారు. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద డిజాస్టర్ caused by nature means we call it as a natural disasters. Okay, natural disaster. Do you know children what is disaster? The damage of your life or a property is known as a disaster. So if the disaster caused by the nature, we call it a natural disasters. Do you know natural disasters? Floods, cyclones, earthquakes and tsunamis. tsunamis and landslides and droughts. Do you know children drought means? Karuvu. Okay? You know some areas, especially in some districts, there is no rainfall. So if there is continuously 10 years no rainfall means we also experience this drought. We will experience this drought. So తినడానికి మనకి ఫుడ్ లేకుండా అండ్ మనీ కూడా లేకుండా ఉంటుంది దాన్ని డ్రాట్ అంటారు అనమాట. కరువు, తెలుగులో దాన్ని కరువు అంటారు అనమాట. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో దీస్ ఆల్ డిజాస్టర్స్ caused by nature only. Okay, can we create earthquakes children? No. Can we create tsunamis? Can we create cyclones? No. So these all caused by nature. That is why we call it as a natural disaster. What are the earthquakes? Earthquakes, tsunami and cyclones, floods, droughts and landslides. Okay, these all are natural disasters. So if we get these disasters, our lives will damage, our property will damage. Do you know already in 2020 year we have experienced the cyclones and the floods also, right? So whenever floods time, all the crops will damage. You know sometimes people will die, right? So all the properties will damage and life of people will damage. So children, this is a natural disaster. So turn the page children. Next one, in 22 we have another activity also children. Let me explain. Work in pairs and complete the activities. Stack objects such as a book, pencil box and empty lunch box on a table. Shake the table gently at first and then forcefully. So children, first you have to keep objects on a table. What is that? What are they here? Given book, pencil box and empty lunch box. First the bench move very gently. First the table ni gently go move cheyandi. So have you noticed any differences? And second time you have to move the bench very forcefully. Second time చాలా force గా move చేయండి bench, table. So if you observe any differences, just you have to mention here. You have to write in the given space. First one, what happened to the pile of objects when you shook the table gently? So first time with gently, slow గా table move చేసినప్పుడు మీకు ఏమైనా differences కనిపించాలి. Just you have to mention in this column. Yes children, we will notice many differences. If you move the table gently, objects will not fall down. So if you move the table very forcefully, all objects will fall down. So at the first time, the objects, write answers children. First case, at the first case the objects move slightly. Okay, and the second stage, if you move the table very forcefully, all the objects fell down. The object should if you shook hard the table and fell down. So we can observe the difference children. You know we are all living on Earth planet. Earth planet is one of the planets in solar system. So all the planets moves around the sun with their speed, with their own speed, right? So if the speed of the Earth increases means what happens? All the things, all animals, all trees, all human beings will shook. Okay, will shake and later all the objects will fall down on paper. Okay children, so that is why We cannot create the earthquakes. That is nature. Okay, caused by nature only. So this is if you move this table, you will observe the differences between earth rotations. Okay, if the earth rotates in the same speed, there is no differences. If the speed of earth, if the rotation speed of earth increases, means we may get some problems, we may get disasters, we may get damage. So this is about earthquake, children. Okay, so in the next session I will explain deeply about earthquakes and how does it form, how does it comes, and what are the safety measures. So everything I will explain in the next session. Okay, until then